everyone, it's Ben here from Mariner Media, and in this video I just want to show you guys how to make animated logo intros. A lot of people have been asking me how I do it. I use it a lot on my ads, normally the end of the ads, not at the start, because you want to grab people's attention. I wouldn't have too long of an intro, but I'm going to show you today how to make animated logo intros. It's super easy. Before we get started though, could you just ask you to smash the like button underneath, which really helps us out to get out there and reach more people. And let's get into it. So basically, I don't make them myself. I just get them outsourced. I'm going to show you exactly where to go and exactly what kind of styles you can have. So this is the one I've got for one of my businesses, which is the Online Pastry School. So it's like a little animated logo. Okay, what's going to drop out? Just do that again. It just gives it every video just a little bit more of a nice kind of sheen at the beginning, at the end. It's a nice intro, especially got like training courses, that kind of stuff. It's a really, really nice way of doing it. So to do that, all I do is go to Fiverr, and I'll show you who I use. So let me just go down here. So Skylar182, I think is the name. Yeah, here you go, Skylar182. And then literally what you can do, we just go profile. Yeah, so this is all the different so this is all the different stuff he does. And literally if you just click here, it will give you all the different styles you can have. So we've got this one, and also just take your logo, provide the logo graphic, and then it will just he, she, whoever you picked it, will just animate in whatever style you want with the right colors. So let's have a look at some of them.
Do you want to add?
Oh, that's the intro video. Oh dear, right, hold on. See if I can play this. Okay, you might have to go to YouTube and just have a look through. So, here you go. So the link is just under here. You can then go to YouTube and see the playlist. There we go. So this gives you an idea of all these different kind of logos you can have. There's loads of different styles, loads of different styles for different businesses, and some of them are really, really cool. So I think it's this one I used. So it looks completely different. Obviously, it's the same style, but just with a different logo and different colors. So perfect. Yes, there's so much stuff in there. There's loads in there, like 30 different types. So yeah, check it out. There's also like full screen ones as well, I think. This one looks pretty awesome. Yeah, so it gives such a nice shine to the front or to the to the back of the video, and just makes it look so much more professional and so much cleaner and easier to kind of use. And also, when you start charging for videos and charging for content, it needs to look professional, and that is the best way really to have it on each side, make it look very official. So that's it really. So all it is, I think it's $5 to get your logo made, and that is it. And then also you put it in, upload your logo. So all you do is go to here, you just go continue, you just upload your logo, any taglines or anything you want, and then you would say talk about the colors, and after that just a couple of days, and then it should be turned around. You can download it and then just use it on any of your videos. So that's it really. So Fiverr, awesome platform to use for certain things. I encourage you guys to check it out, and always you can always put your links down below to the ones you've got made. So I hope to see you on the next video. and good luck with Facebook ads.